Alright guys, so if you're looking at this, let me go ahead and minimize this right here. So if you're looking at this sheet, which you have in front of you, I took a screenshot of most of it, and I just want to go over, I know since, hold on, let me pull it back up, that it's difficult because Ms. Santos isn't with us, but let's go ahead and go through this the best we can. So let me just go over some basics. Again, let me see. Tell what point is located at each ordered pair. So you're going to look at these points and see what letter is listed for these points. Let me see if I can write that. Okay, cool. That's a good one. So I can write with this feature, and I want to go over some of these with you. What's interesting is that they actually show, if you can see my pointer here, I'm going to try to show this here. See how they show the +3? I'm going to erase that, but they don't usually put +3, right? But they're making a point of showing you that's a +3. And if you recall, yesterday's notes should have told you that I'm going to rewrite this one. So I'm going to rewrite this one up here. So it should be -4, right? And then +3. -4 is the x value, +3 is the y value. The x-axis, it even tells you right here, this is the x-axis. So if you were looking at this number, you're going to go along this axis. Where do you start? You always start at the origin. You always start at the middle part of this graph. The middle part is the origin, okay? And looking at this means you're going to go to the left 4. Why to the left? Because it's negative, and you can see your -4 is right here. You may get mistaken and think this is the -4, but remember, this is your y. You do that second. You do the x first, which means you're going to go to the left 4. You can see my point. I'm going this way 4, and I'm right here. And then I'm going to go up 3. I'm going to go up 3. So I go to the left 4, up 3, and I get to this point right here, the letter L. Okay? So let's go to the next one. -8, +7. I'm going to go -8. I go all the way this way to -8 and then +7. Guess where my letter is? Right here. It's super important that you start to get the hang of this, okay? So understand that the first number tells you left or right. The first number tells you left or right. So look at this first number. It's -8. So that means you're going to go to the left 8. You're either going left or right, and right's positive, left's negative, okay? To the left 8, and then up 2. Okay, well, that's right here. That's the letter X. All right, do the best you can on the rest of those. And then it says write the ordered pair for these letters. So K, where's K at? All right, K's right here. How did I get to K from the origin? Do I go left or right first, or do I go up and down? Remember, your X is here. You go left or right first. So I'm actually going to go left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1, 2 to get to K. And that's going to be -4, +2. Okay? Let's do another one. How about S? How did I get to S? We're going to do this one right here. Well, in order to get to S, I start at the origin. I don't go up 7, right 2. I start with going left or right. I'm going to go right 2, and then up 7. And I'm going to go 2, 7, over 2, up 7. Okay? We're going to practice this all week to make sure we're good at it. Then, don't want to save that. Let me see if I can pull up anything else I have here. I thought I had another one. Let's pull up another one. Let's see. I believe... All right, this is actually your homework, and I want you to go through it in class and go slowly on this. You're going to go and connect these dots, each point. You're going to connect that point to this point to this point, and you're going to stop connecting the dots once you get to this end of sequence, okay? Then you're going to connect all of these even to this point and then stop, okay? And let me pull up the other thing I wanted to talk about. Cool. This is the last part here. This should be pretty straightforward as well. All of it is that you can tell everything's centered around plotting points. So if we're going to do this one, we're going to go ahead plot G. Where's G at? G's kind of difficult. You know why? because G is actually on the x-axis. It's on the x line. So what do we do first? Remember, the first coordinate is x. The second coordinate is y, right? So do we go anywhere on our x? We start at the origin. Do we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5? So -5 left. We go left -5. We go left -5. Do we go up or down? Nope. So it's 0. That's a tough one. Those are the most difficult ones, the zeros, okay? And honestly, the rest of this, you guys can talk with your sub. She can walk you through this. She knows exactly what's going on with this. So she's going to walk around as you guys are working on this in class and just giving you some pointers. And really, I've told my kiddos, this is Mr. Marusik talking, I've told all my kiddos that you're always talking to your partner. You're always getting help from your partner. You're not cheating from your partner, but your partner's there to help you, okay? So if your partner knows how to do it and you're struggling, hopefully your partner would take charge and kind of help you. And guess what? If you're getting it and your partner's not, I would hope that you would help your partner in the same way and get them to get there, okay? We're all in this together. I need you to do the best you can. All right, guys, I'll check in on you guys tomorrow. Hopefully this goes well. Talk to you later.